Hello everyone. This is in continuation to various numerical problems what we are doing in compound interest. The next one is question number 7. Find the compound interest on rupees 16,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum payable half yearly. We are supposed to find what is the compound interest. Okay. Formula is amount minus the initial principal amount. It's the initial investment. What is amount? Amount is C times 1 plus I to the power of N minus C. That means our compound interest will be C times 1 plus I to the power of N minus 1. Now, initial investment is given as 16,000 rupees. 1 plus I is given as 10% per annum or 0.1 per annum, but it is going to be compounded on half yearly basis. So 0.1 by 2, which is 0.05 per half year. That will be your I now, and N 1.5 years. In each year there are 2 half years, so I should multiply 1.5 into 2 half means 3 half years. So N is 3. We will use these values in the above formula. 1 plus I is 0.05 to the power of 3 minus 1. Let's calculate it. We get rupees 2,522. That will be the compound interest for this particular, amount, compound interest amount for this particular problem. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.